Most people think Phantom Wallet is only for holding Solana. But did you know you can buy other tokens on the Solana blockchain like BONK or GekoodHub without ever leaving the wallet? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. The most stress-free method to swap your tokens is using the Phantom Wallet, and let's just go directly into Phantom Wallet and swap our tokens from Solana into other tokens on the Solana blockchain. So I've just logged into my Phantom Wallet and you can see that's GekoodHub's wallet. Current amount is $18. So we have here the first one is receive, then we have send, there's swap, and then there's buy. I've said that the most easy way to buy tokens on the Solana blockchain is just using the swap feature, which is integrated in the Phantom Wallet. So let's just click here. So in order to do that, you'll most obviously use Solana, because this is what we are going to use to pay for the gas. You need to have some Solana in your wallet already. So you're going to use Solana as our fee and also the one that we are going to swap. You can also swap other tokens. If at all you don't want to use your Solana to be the main currency that you are swapping into the other token, then you can use other tokens that you have. But remember, you will need Solana itself in order to pay for gas. So just make sure that you are holding some Solana into your wallet. I can easily change the token that I want to swap. I can use either USDC. Currently I don't have some USDC on the Phantom Wallet, but now I'll just use my Solana. A quick interruption for the video. We all know that crypto is a fast-paced world and you need somewhere to get this information as fast as they happen on the blockchain. To do that, just join the GekoodHub email newsletter and I'll be dropping this alpha into your email inbox to update you on the hot narratives and what's trending on the crypto market. The link to subscribe to the GekoodHub email newsletter is in the description below. So I'll use Solana 0.001 in order to buy USDC, or I can also buy, let's say, something like BONK. Can we get BONK? Yeah, we have BONK and any other token. So in order to get this token, you can easily go and find their contract address from either CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Then you just come here and paste the contract address. Then you will be swapping your Solana into that particular token that you want to swap into. So this is how to easily swap your tokens. So once I have my Solana here, I'm swapping 0.001 Solana for BONK. How many BONK will I get? I'll get 10,694 BONK, which is worth 22 cents. So you can see the current price of one sol is approximately that amount of BONK. Then the slippage, you can go with auto, or you can change the amount of the slippage. Then the price impact is dash. Then you have the fees that you're going to be paying. I'm going to be paying $0.03. That's around 3 cents. Then you can go ahead and swap your Solana into BONK. So that's how to easily swap your tokens within your Phantom Wallet. So I've just swapped my Sol into BONK. Now you can see I already have BONK here for 22 cents. So the fees is very negligible. That's how to easily trade tokens within the Phantom Wallet by just using the swap feature. So if I want to reverse the process, I just go and click the BONK, then I click to sell. Because I want to sell into Solana, I just click to sell all, and then it's bringing me everything that I need. So this is how to reverse the whole process from buying the BONK by the swap feature and also selling back to receive your Solana. So you can see I already just sold 10k BONK back to Solana. So when I go back to my wallet, you can see I don't have BONK. So that's how to easily do swapping within the Phantom wallet. It's a very handy feature. You don't need to be very tech savvy when it comes to DeFi.